Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the browser and getting directly to history. You want to be in the standard profile for your saved activity, so switch profiles if needed. Once there, press Ctrl+H or use the menu. This shows your timeline of visited pages. Make sure to close any private windows because they won't appear. If you use multiple browsers, repeat these first steps in each one so you don't miss entries stored elsewhere on the PC. Now that history is open, filter and inspect the results to find what you need. Type a site name or keyword into the history search box. You can narrow by date, which helps when results are heavy. Once filtered, click an entry to reveal the full URL and timestamp so you know when you visited. If you use Account Sync, verify sync is on. That way you can pull up data from other devices. Keep an eye on duplicates. They often indicate multiple visits or redirects. Finish by deciding whether to save, delete, or troubleshoot the history you found. If you need a record, export, or copy the URLs to a document, otherwise open clear browsing data and pick the time range you want to remove. Confirm and wait for the process to finish. If you don't see expected entries, make sure you're in the right profile and that sync is enabled. Also rule out private browsing. For stubborn cases, restart the browser and check again. That often resolves indexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.